Morning. This is David Olshan of Nevada Legal Services. It is Thursday, June 17th, 2021, and this is your COVID-19 update. The CDC moratorium is ending at the end of June, June 30th, 2021. Non-payment evictions, which have been on hold for almost a year, will commence after June 30th. It could be sooner if the Supreme Court dissolves the stay. They are arguing this case. It shows the sort of zeal and motivation that landlords have to move forward with evictions and spend tons of money on something that's pretty much useless because the stay dissolves at the end of the month anyway. If you apply for rent assistance, you may have a defense. AB 486 basically stays any non-payment eviction if you're applying for rent assistance and it's not available, and it isn't available. You kind of think that the employees at the Employment Security Division are doing rent assistance as well because there's so many delays, there's a bottleneck. Obviously, it's poorly managed by state and local governments, but that's the nature of the help during the pandemic, basically. We have seen this small claims court actions. We have seen it in Clark County. Can a landlord still evict you for non-payment if the landlord has gotten a judgment from the small claims court? That's an issue. If you are faced with this problem, please contact us at Nevada Legal Services, and we may be able to help. So as we know, DETR ESD favors employers at the expense of employees who have been out of work because of the pandemic. A good example of this is the press release, June 15th, 2021, where Alyssa Cafferata basically relieves employers of charges to their experience rating in 2020 because of all the fraud that went on. DETR is doing everything in its ability to ensure employers and businesses are not held accountable for bad actors submitting imposter claims using stolen identities. Wow, they're so good at doing this. The problem is employers get notice of these claims, so they reject these fraudulent claims before they're even paid. So DETR is just doing this for public relations. It really doesn't help employers because employers reject these fraudulent claims. How do I know? It happened at Nevada Legal Services, and I had one claim submitted under my name and my social security number. What happened? Our HR person said, is this true? No, it's not true. They denied the claim, and it was flagged as fraud. So once again, we have evidence that the Employment Security Division is about helping employers at the expense of employees. If you have a legal issue and need assistance, please contact us at Nevada Legal Services. Do an online intake at nlslaw.net, and I will be back with more COVID-19 updates.